All right, guys. So I just wanted to show you the little project that I've just finished up. It's it's an amplifier, like a something that you'd see people plug into their bass or their guitar, and to amplify it, I guess, make it louder, or just a microphone or whatever. And so, yeah, I found this. I was able to salvage it. I looked through the circuitry and didn't seem to see anything that was amiss. So I plugged it in, tried it out, and it didn't really work. So I opened it up and found out that it used the vacuum tube. And so I replaced the vacuum tube, and lo and behold, that was the only problem. And so the bad boy works. So here's what it looks like. The circuitry's in there. I'm not going to bother opening it up. All you have to do is take off these bolts here on either side, and then this whole module comes out. And the basic circuitry is pretty simple, although it does use a vacuum tube, so it utilizes high voltage to drive that vacuum tube. So be careful working on this if you're going to power it up and be testing around, probing around for voltage levels and whatnot. That can be a little bit dangerous. I didn't bother doing any of that. I'm not too familiar with vacuum tube technology or vacuum tube integrating vacuum tubes in circuits or anything like that. That's kind of an ancient technology, but for speakers, a lot of people like to use it still. Needless to say, I'm not into speakers. I'm not really, I'm not into music and the whole audio thing with electronics, although it is a major component of electronics and the electrical hobby field. So it's something that I do have to know about, and every once in a while I come across something like this that I need to repair, and try to get working again and possibly make some money reselling it, or this bad boy, since it is a rather expensive piece of equipment that I was able to salvage and keep for free, or get for free. I might keep it for myself if I ever do need to use it for, if I ever do need a loudspeaker for some reason or whatever, maybe to join a protest or something like that against trans or something. I don't know. Anyways, it's a VOX Valvetronics, and I looked these up, brand new. I guess they go, or even used, I guess they go for around $300, between $200, $300 or whatever. It's a VOX AD30 VT, and it's got a number of different cool things on here, different effects and whatnot. I don't have a microphone or anything, or a guitar to hook up to this to test it out, so I just plugged into the input. I just plugged in a pair of headphones, and if anybody knows anything about input and output things, you can usually use something that outputs sound as an input for sound too. So, or in other words, a headphone can be used, or a speaker can be used as a microphone, just as an LED that outputs light. If you input light into an LED, that can be used as a solar cell. Like, so if you feed light into an LED, it produces electricity. If you feed electricity into an LED, it produces light. Okay? And that's a phenomenon that you will find with pretty much all types of electronics, electronic things. So, yeah, speakers are just another one of those things. Anyways, enough of that. Anyways, when I got this thing, like I said, it didn't work. And another problem with it was that it lacked the back panel, which is a major feature of something like this. It needs a back panel so that it resonates properly and the volume and the sound quality is optimal. So that was one major thing that I needed to get on top of and manufacture a replacement back for this, and that's what I did. I cut it out of plywood and painted it black, and here it is. And I believe I did a fantastic job, and it looks awesome. It fits perfectly, and I'm very proud of it. I'm very proud of myself. Look at that fit. It's absolutely gorgeous, perfect, and the color is just a perfect match. I'm absolutely in love with it. So I'm going to bolt that back on and turn this thing on and let you see what it sounds like. All right. So I'll be right back. Okay, so hopefully this isn't upside down now, but yeah, like I said, I'm not an audio electronics guy, so forgive me that I don't know the presets of this and I don't know all the settings or whatever, but yeah, needless to say, I did get this this back looking quite nice, if you don't mind me saying so myself. I did this with a jigsaw, the cutout of this, which looks absolutely flawless, if you don't mind me saying so myself. I think it might look even better than the original. It's a perfect match. Solid plywood, okay, and a nice matte black that matches the thing. So yeah, look how beautiful that is. Is that not a beautiful match? I think it is. Okay. So now, yeah, like I said, I've got headphones plugged into it. Let's turn it on and see what happens. So, hello. Okay, hello. Come on, where is it? Hello. Oh, there we go. Let's turn it up a little. Hello. There we go. Hello. Let's turn up the volume. Hello. Hey, what's up out there? This is the amplifier working here. Let's try some different settings. So the effects knob here. Sorry for the lighting there, guys. Let's turn it to something else. Hello. Yep, that's more echoey. Let's turn down the gain. Hello. So that's less gain. What about this amp? What's this amp knob do? Hello? Ah, sorry about that, guys. Okay, so... Damn, that was not expected. Hello. Like I said, I don't have any idea how to work this thing. No idea how to work this. No idea. Oh, that was cool. Hello. Whoa. Hey guys, what's up? Okay, let's try something else. Whoa, okay, there we go. Alright, so that sounds like a normal, almost normal. Yeah, so you can hear it works. It's very loud now. But anyway, so yeah, that's the VOX Valvetronics. And like I said, I picked this thing up for free because it didn't work. Somebody obviously didn't know what they had on their hands. And I'm going to stop that. I'm going to turn that off. Somebody didn't know the value of what they had on their hands. It had a broken back panel, and when you plugged it in and turned it on, it didn't work, all because it didn't have a functional vacuum tube. All I did was replace the vacuum tube, which was a very easy thing to do. Vacuum tubes for these types of things are very common. Well, not very common, but they are still being manufactured as far as I can tell. So they're not all that expensive. Vintage vacuum tubes are rather expensive for like novelty purposes, not something like this, which obviously people are still using all the time for audio purposes. But yeah, there's lots of like vacuum tube rectifiers and stuff like that. I doubt to see those as being very common. Those might be a little bit more pricey, but this was not very pricey to fix this. And yeah, I'm very proud of it. And I think I'm going to hang on to this. I could put it on eBay or on Kijiji and sell it for probably easily $200. If I asked $200 for this thing would probably be sold within a week or two. But I'm going to hang on to it because I don't have any other audio equipment, really. This is my sole amplifier that I have. And yeah, if me or any of my family members or friends need it for, let's say, a wedding or a charity fundraiser or something like that, where they need a loudspeaker or just to be able to amplify their voice with a microphone, well, I got them covered, right? So, and you know, knowing me, I would offer it to them, no charges necessary. Just yeah, borrow it from me and do what you need to do with it and give it back to me in one piece. And yeah, I'm happy to help. So anyway, that's it for now. And as always, please subscribe and like and toss me some bones because I'm struggling out here. I'm stealing somebody else's fucking catchphrase. You bitch.